Hello and welcome back to another video. The wind is pretty strong today. There is a sandstorm right now at the beach. So I hope the sound of the wind doesn't affect my voice. I have to shout a little bit, so I hope you can hear me. And yeah, so I was trying to skate anyway at the curve spot at Rossi's beach. There will be a skate event later on, so most of the footage of this video will be about the skate contest and the event. There will be some pro skater, Eric Dressen for sure, and possibly somebody else from the old school scene. Looks like that the event has been cancelled. There are some mini ramps, a little rail on the ground. I'm just in the backyard of the venue where the skate event was supposed to take place. So I'm just skating a little bit on the background, trying to have fun anyway. The wind is very strong. I think this is the reason why nobody wants to hang out, because of the very strong wind. You can see the palm trees are very shaky right now. see if I can just say hi to Eric Dressen. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.